Hello, girls, how are you? I'm Miss Trini from Kinder A, and today I brought a new unit, Living Things. Today we're going to learn what living things are, and we're going to learn it by reading this poem. This poem is going to tell us what living things are and what they need to be able to be alive, okay? So pay attention to its meaning. Also, here are the vocabulary words, so pay attention. The title of this poem is Living Things, and it's now circled in yellow. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. We always read from left to right and up and down. Also, as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in red. Ready? Let's go. Living things. Plants and humans are alive. Also animals, I know why. They breathe the air, they move and grow. They need some food and water, sure. Okay, so those are the vocabulary words. Now I am going to present them by saying the word once, and then I am going to count up to three like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together. Ready? Let's go. Plants. 1, 2, 3. Plants. Humans. 1, 2, 3. Humans. Animals. 1, 2, 3. Animals. Breathe. 1, 2, 3. Breathe. Air. 1, 2, 3. Air. Grow. 1, 2, 3. Grow. Food. 1, 2, 3. Food. Yummy. Water. 1, 2, 3. Water. Okay, so now we're going to read the poem one more time, paying attention to its meaning. Okay, let's go. Living things. Plants and humans are alive. Also animals, I know why. They breathe the air, they move and grow. They need some food and water, sure. So, the living things are the things that are alive, that live. For example, plants, humans, and animals are alive. Why? Because they need air, because they breathe, they can move or grow, and also they need some food or and water. Okay? So those are the things that are alive, the living things. Plants, humans, and animals. Now I have an activity for you, but I had a big problem. Look, here are my flashcards, but I forgot to put the pictures. I need you to help me to match the picture with the right flashcard. Okay, can you help me? Thank you very much. So look, here we have, what is that? Do you remember? It is the water. So where does the water go? The word water starts with wa. So where is that word? Hmm. There, thank you very much. So the picture of the water goes there in the right flashcard. Thank you very much. Let's see. Wow, do you remember what is that? It is the air. Where does the air go? It is a short word with three letters, 1, 2, 3, and it starts with a. Mm, there, very good. Thank you. So the air goes there. Excellent. So let's see the next thing. What is that? What is that picture? They are plants, right? The word plants starts with p, p, plants. So where is that word? On that flashcard. Thank you very much. So the picture of the plants go there in that flashcard. Thank you. Now let's see. That is a girl. Do you remember what is she doing? She is breathing. So the word is breathe. Breathe. It starts with b. So where is that word? Which one is the right flashcard? That one. Very good. Thank you very much. So the girl breathing goes there. Excellent. Now let's see. What are those? They are people, humans, right? Humans. So where is that word that starts with there? Very good. Excellent. Thank you very much. So the humans go there. Let's see. Do you remember what the picture was? It represents the word grow because plants, animals, and people grow, right? Yes. So where is that word? Grow. It is there. Very good. So the picture of grow goes there. Let's see. What are those? They are animals, right? Animals. Where is that word? There, very good. So animals go there. Excellent. And last but not least, what? What is that? It is food. Food that we need to grow and to be alive, right? To live, we need food to eat. So where is the word food? Food, it is there. Very good. Thank you very much. So you have helped me. You helped me match the picture with the right flashcard. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope you like it and a big kiss for everybody.